Hey y'all, I'm Gabrielle. So happy that you're here in this space, and if you are back for more, thank you so much for coming by. Today I am just wanting to show you an Amazon purchase that I ordered. We had some numbers, but they were run over. People had been stopping by and were unable to find our home without like an address. I was very excited to purchase this. I wanted to unbox this with you and just show you what it all comes with. It was $33.99 and that's without tax obviously, but I think with everything that it comes with and the multiple numbers that it is well worth the price point, and the fact that it's solar, that's always convenient so you're not having to change out batteries all the time. Make sure you follow these 3 steps and you will be good to go when you have your numbers installed. One thing I really appreciated were these templates. It comes with a 4-number or a 5-number template, and it is very easy to use. It does come with 4 sets of numbers from 0 to 9 and 1 set of alphabets from A to Z. And with us having duplicate numbers, we were concerned about that, and some of the products that we were looking at didn't have enough sets. So that's why we opted to get this one, and it is waterproof as well, which is another great thing because in our area it obviously rains, but it does snow in winter and we need something that is waterproof. I really like these matte stickers for the numbers. They actually were really easy to remove. I tried to hold them from the edges so I wasn't removing any of the stickiness from them to adhere to the actual template, but for the most part they were really sticky, and I think even if I would have put my whole hand on it, it still would have stuck on the template. The template has these little arrows to let you know where the centerpiece is, and it was really nice to have as like a guide for you. So I definitely wanted to be careful with this because I wasn't sure if I would have to reapply this and remove it. Once you start going though, you definitely get the hang of it and it is easy peasy. Just get your first one, take your time, and then the rest of them will be very smooth. It was a little difficult taking out some of the numbers that had like the extra stickers inside, but it was very fun. I felt like I was doing arts and crafts putting this together. And this is how it turned out. I think it looks really good. And for my first time, let's set this up. I was kind of curious as to how this would work. There is an auto switch and the other side says off, and you can see the light and how vibrant it is. You want to keep it on auto and just follow directions in setting this up. One thing that I did was put painter's tape on the back of where the holes were at so I would know exactly where to drill on our stucco. I asked my husband to help me with this project. I wanted to make sure that this was going to be centered, and I just put the painter's tape on the area. Since it was going to be close to the light fixture, I made sure that I folded the tape in half to find the center mark, and from there I just looked straight up to where the light fixture was at, and that is how I eyeballed it. And we made sure to make sure that it was level. My husband did feel like we were running into a metal panel because it was taking some time to actually penetrate through the stucco. It's not even making a dent. Make a hole?
Yeah,
Don't hurt yourself.
I'm not trying to.
I'm gonna check it again.
Aren't you happy your husband's so smart?
You're so fun. Thank you. Oh, I couldn't do anything without you.
Yeah, we'll see. That's
Okay, so we got it on. We did have to like make it that far away from, well, like a little bit away from it because there's texture. I like how it looks though. We also checked with the level and it is level, even though like probably at this angle it doesn't look very level. But I'm happy. This is how it looks at nighttime. If you like this video, then why don't you check out this Making Your House a Home playlist, or you can also check out this video over here. It's my most recent upload.